Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at Tesla stock, and let's do the price action analysis for this coming week and what potential use cases may be given by the price action that, if provided it breaks above certain levels or break below certain levels, how bulls and the bears can really pound on it, right? So we'll talk about all of that in this video. You know let's get things prepared for, are we still bullish here, or are we gonna fall much lower? So anyways, please hit the like, subscribe if you find my videos valuable and helpful, and also please remember, none of this is any financial advice and is only for education purposes. Now the big question is that, are we going to stay bullish? Are we going to be bullish this coming week, or will be going bearish? So the thing is that, as for what the structure is doing, like, well, we know Elon Musk package is passed and everything, we got these big spikes, but then we are still seeing that last 2 days, like, it's sell the news event happening here, right? Selling off these two red candles. But what I would say, yes, we are back into this channel down again, right? That's problematic. So let's go to the weekly interval and let me show you over there a couple of things. So you can see that the weekly candle, the way it has closed, it is still above the 20 weeks moving average, but really I wanted to see it close above that channel, which is a downward channel, right, so far, and Tesla hasn't done that. But on weekly interval, we still have inverted head and shoulder pattern, but we need to close a week out of that channel to really make this head and shoulder confirm itself and we can get going higher. But let's talk about what is all in all structure is. Well, so guys, here's the thing. Structure on Tesla is still bullish on daily interval, but it's weak enough that if we crack lower, just 1 cent lower pretty much, it's not that far away from becoming bearish structure. So it's just hanging on a very thin line right now. That is the 20 days moving average, and just around $178, very thin line. So yeah, but until then, like, as long as we are still above this 20 days moving average and above this 178, we are still in the bullish territory, but on the swing structure. But it's very important for us to get above Monday. It should happen. It has to happen. If it doesn't happen, then yes, we are losing the structure full on to the downside. If we can't close a day above $180 on Monday, like, it's not even any we don't even have any compromise here. It's not that we just have a green candle tiny bit at 178 and that's it, but below 180. No, we need to close out of this channel, lower trending channel, and above $180 with a good strong green candle. Then only Tesla will remain in the bullish structure, even if a green candle comes. But if it stays below 180 or below the channel, that's not strong enough. Even though that will keep the structure bullish, but that's not strong enough, because that would very likely could be a dead cat bounce. So that's not a full confirmation. So just keep that in mind, okay? So let's go to the hourly interval. Let's talk about on the daily interval, on the lower time frame, intraday, how things are. So you can see we are back down again in that magnet area 178, where that supply zone has been. And Tesla unfortunately came back lower after getting out of it as well above, but then constant sell-off, and you can see intraday we are technically in the lower highs, lower lows, right? So we are intraday already going down trend. It's just at the precipice of we losing. Well, you can see it was already in the post-market closed at 177.74 cents. Pretty much, if we lose 200 hours moving average, the here it also changed, because also it's going to lose that pivot on the daily interval that I showed you with 20 days moving average. And yeah, unfortunately, it can then continue lower. The thing is that to continue up from here, we need to, as I said, get above $180. Monday is, we have to do it. If we can't do it, then forget it, okay? 180 is what above we need to get, and also we need to get out and above of this trend line, the downward trend line that on intraday is formed. So we got to get out of this pivot. So Tesla, from here, it has to get full on bullish 180 and above, and also 182. If Tesla can do this on Monday, that's a win. That's like, all right, we are back again bullish. Otherwise, yeah, this at least 180 and above we need to get. 182 and above is the confirmed then bullishness, but that's very important. If that's not happening, guys, this lower trend line where we have pivot is still a potential area that we might get rejected and may continue lower. So this is the area, a very important area with this pivot of the trend line. All right. Yeah. So that's what it all comes down to. If Tesla can become, well, can get into the bullish side, or it can continue bearish or intraday and then also on the swing. So that's my take on Tesla here. All right. I want to also show you the short volume data on Tesla. So let me actually put that on my indicator. If you have access to my tools, guys, you can also plug and play this short volume percent data. And yeah, and if you need access to my tools, links are in the description below. I have 2 indicators and 2 trading bots. They work on all US instruments and stocks. Okay. All right, guys. So here's a problem as well. 36 short volume percent that particular day. So that's not good. Anything above 35, I consider a high. That's quite significant short volume percent. You can see when we were popping up like 25% and 26%, that's fine. That's quite low. But then the following day when we are seeing 36%, that's not what I'm liking. I'm not liking that. It's not, it's just one variable. So it's not that, oh, it's 36% and it's just going to continue to fall. It just shows you that short sellers are, at least in this area, they were in control. And on this day, especially on Tesla, they were in control. So it's not good. So you can expect, like, if we try to go up, there might be some pressure from the top again on the selling side. So yeah, short sellers are coming in, guys. This is the short selling volume percent on day-to-day basis that my indicator also puts up here if you turn it on the indicator. Alrighty, well, guys, that's pretty much it on Tesla for you guys for this coming week. And as I'll be doing another video later today on the options of Tesla, there is some interesting data actually, and a lot of spike in one price point. Actually, I'll be talking about it. The video will be coming out soon, so stay tuned. And with that, guys, I'll see you in my next videos. Take care. Bye.